Hello friends, welcome back to Smriti Notes for Biotechnology. So, in today's video, we will discuss a very common question, that is, tell me something about yourself. Even though it looks easy, but it is difficult to answer. So, let's start. When an interviewer asks you a such question, then you're not supposed to tell the facts that are already mentioned in your CV or resume. Do not tell them about your education and all. Come to the point, because when they ask you a question, then the time frame you have is just 2 minutes. So your basic aim while answering this question is to tell something that is not mentioned in your CV or resume. Follow a simple formula to answer this question, that is present, past and future. For the present case, talk a little bit about what your current role is in the scope of it and your recent achievements. For the past, tell the interviewer how you got there and or mention previous experience that's relevant to the job. And the last key is future, what you are looking to do next and why you are interested in this job. Now let's talk something more about ourselves by starting with an overview of where you are now, or maybe why you're interested in this job. Then you're supposed to tell how you got to where you are. You could mention your education or any important experience, such as a past job or an internship, which have led you to this platform. And before ending, give it a final touch by telling about your goals for future, which are related to this company only. Some important points to keep in mind which you are not supposed to say are: do not share too much or too little information, avoid subjects such as political or religious, do not talk about a hobby that might seem to be more important to you than your career, avoid sharing your personal information like about your family or any past experience. Now I'll share some more tip about answering this question, that is, tell me about yourself. In my previous videos, I've already told you that before you're sitting for a company, you're supposed to do a little research on it so you are prepared beforehand. So the very first point is tailor your answer to the role and according to the company. So basically, you guys are having an advantage that you know about the company beforehand. So what you could do is get some information about it, get to know about the job role, and then accordingly give your answer. Next important tip is, while preparing, practice your answer but do not memorize it. That means do not mug it up in the sequential order. Try to say it in a more natural way so that the other person gets convinced by your saying. Try to inject some passion, something very interesting in your answer if you are comfortable about it, and share it with the other person. Remember, this is often your first impression and it matters. That is first and the very last impression. The very first impression can be the way you enter, the way you greet them by a handshake or a small eye contact. So keep in mind that you do not do any mistake doing these gestures. Be confident enough and say the truth always. And also, during this time, there are chances that we might have a phone interview. So I'll share some tips and tricks how you can prepare for your online interviews. For your online interview, you can use your notes or just make it in bullet points to help guide you through your answer. As nobody can see you on the phone, so you can take an advantage by keeping your points in front of you. Use those points only for reference. Do not read them as if you are reading from a book. I hope this video might help you, and if you like it, then do like, share and subscribe.